5 warning signs that show a stroke is coming, and it's really important to know them. Cerebral stroke is the leading cause of serious disability in the US. Each year, as high as almost 80 lakhs people suffer from a stroke, 7 lakhs of which are first timers, and in 1,50,000 cases is recurrences. But there are ways to prevent it if you are careful about a few things in your daily life. Having a stroke is similar to a heart attack, but in this case it attacks your brain. Actually, cerebral stroke happens when some parts of your brain are interrupted, and that makes our body unable to function normally. The affected part of the brain needs urgent medical attention, and it's important for the brain to get continuous supply of oxygen to be able to function normally. The symptoms of the stroke usually develop quickly, but it can sometimes take hours or even a day to notice that something is wrong. So if you think that you may be experiencing any of these symptoms, it's important not to ignore it, even if some of them don't seem too serious. 1. High blood pressure. High blood pressure can lead to severe problems like a stroke or by damaging the brain nerves or weakening the blood vessels and leading to a leak or rupture. Apart from that, high blood pressure is the reason for clot information in the bloodstream and leading them to the brain, causing a stroke in this process. 2. Vision problem. Stroke can cause double vision, loss of visions in one eye, or blurred vision. When about 1,300 people during a survey in the UK were asked, they all remember blurred vision problems as a stronger indicator. 3. Numbness. On the one side of the body, face, hands or leg, it's common to have the numbness or weakness in the face and arm or leg on the other side of the body. In some cases, there can also be a paralysis on the opposite side where the stroke occurred in the brain. 4. Dazzling is fatigue without reason. In a study, it shows that vertigo and dizziness is also a common factor among patients who had a stroke. The state of confusion could be the result of the affected brain site. 5. A sudden migraine or severe headache during a stroke. The blood flow of the brain is either blocked or cut off due to an interruption caused by bloodstream and can cause a visual tear or damage resulting in a very sudden hemorrhage or headache. Who is at risk factor? According to the report by NCBI, there are people who are more likely to have a stroke. People with a high blood pressure. Blood pressure is considered to be high if it is 140/90 ml. Age and gender. Old men are more likely to have a stroke than a younger person or woman. Smoking. Smoking can affect the amount of oxygen and reach the brain, and it can also cause lot of damage in the blood vessel resulting in high BP. Diabetes. Diabetes is caused by a deficiency of hormones that is regulate sugar level in the body. Where there is a lack of insulin, the sugar won't be able to reach the parts of the body where the energy is needed, like brain. For example, heart disease. Heart disease can cause blood clot, sometimes resulting the interruption of the blood flow, which can lead to a stroke. Other risk factors: alcohol and drug abuse, obesity, lungs, food, unhealthy diet, depression, anxiety, activity, and other neurological problems. What to do in case of an emergency? You are alone, call 911, your local emergency number. Don't drive to the hospital by yourself. Do not eat, drink anytime. Don't be anxious. You can change several. You are a high of 60 to 70%. You are below 60 years of old. If you are supporting a patient, you are sometimes helping a patient. Keep them in their side with their head and elevated. Sometimes they might vomit, so be prepared to support the head. Speak a calm manner and make sure they are not anxious. Observe the patients carefully and notify the emergency operator about the patient. Do you know more about the sign and symptom of a stroke? Feel free and share what you know in the comments, and make sure that you share the video with the people you care about.